Hey everyone, welcome to Finance Investor Lab. Happy New Year 2026. Right now, people everywhere in the UK, Germany, France, across Europe, the US, and beyond are asking the same big question: where should I put my money this year? If you're a beginner, maybe in your 40s or 50s with a family, mortgage, retirement worries, and feeling confused about what's safe and what's smart, this video is made exactly for you. I'm not here to sell dreams or hype. I'm just sharing the simple, realistic plan I'm personally following in 2026. Let's break it down step by step. Very easy, no complicated jargon. Why 2026 feels different. Context plus. Curiosity. 2026 is not like the past few years. AI is exploding. Companies are spending hundreds of billions on it. Bitcoin is hovering around $90,000, and many analysts are predicting $150,000 or more. Central banks, like the Fed and ECB, are slowly cutting rates after years of high inflation. But here's the real confusion. Markets are super sensitive right now. One news headline can send everything up or down. So should you play it safe with index funds, take a chance on AI stocks, or put a little in Bitcoin? Today I'll show you my exact 2026 plan, step by step, so you can decide what's right for your situation. Step 1, the safe foundation. Index funds and ETFs. Start with the safest base, index funds or ETFs. These simply track the whole market, like the S&P 500, top 500 US companies, or MSCI World Europe ETFs. Why? It's one of the best choices in 2026. You don't have to pick individual winners. Historically, markets give 7 to 10% average yearly return over the long term. It removes emotion, no panic when things dip for a few months. How to do it easily. Invest a fixed amount every month. This is called dollar cost averaging or euro cost averaging. Popular in Europe, Vanguard FTSEs, All World ETF, or iShares MSCI World ETF. Low fees, easy to buy on DeGiro, Trade Republic, or Scalable Capital. Funny part, it's the most boring investment ever, and that's exactly why it wins long term. Step 2, growth opportunity, AI and quality tech stocks. If you want some real growth, look at AI and quality tech stocks. 2026 is the year AI becomes mainstream. Companies are investing massively. My top picks, balanced and strong: Nvidia, the king of AI chips Microsoft, Cloud plus AI, Azure, Copilot, Broadcom, AI hardware infrastructure. Why Europe friendly? These are global companies. You can buy them easily through European brokers. My personal rule, only 10-20% of your portfolio here. Quick story, I bought a bit of Nvidia too high once. Heart sank during the dip. But now I know, small positions, long-term view. Growth is exciting, but safety comes first. Step 3, Bitcoin, optional, high risk, small amount only. Bitcoin, this is the high risk, high reward part. Right now, around $90,000, many analysts see $150,000 possible in 2026 because of ETFs and big institutional money coming in. How to approach it safely as a beginner? Only 5 to 10% of your total money. Buy small amounts every month, cost averaging again. Use Bitcoin ETFs if you don't want to hold actual crypto, easier in Europe. Important, if price drops make you anxious, your position is too big. Funny part, Bitcoin is like a roller coaster, thrilling when going up, stomach churning when down. Just don't ride it with money you need for rent. Step 4, my simple diversification plan. The most important rule, diversify. Here's a simple, realistic example for 2026, not financial advice, just what I personally do. 50% in index funds, ETFs, safe base. 20-30% in AI tech stocks, growth. 5 to 10% in Bitcoin, optional high reward. Rest in cash, bonds or gold, protection. This keeps you safe if markets dip, but gives you a chance for upside in AI and crypto. Golden rule, only invest money you can afford to leave for 5 to 10 years. So friends, that's my simple, realistic 2026 investing plan for beginners, especially if you're in Europe or anywhere else. Now I want to hear from you. Where are you planning to invest in 2026? Index funds, AI stocks, a little Bitcoin or something else? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one and reply to many. If this video gave you clarity and you feel like this guy is speaking my language, please smash the like button, subscribe to Finance Investor Lab, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next update. Let's make 2026 our strongest year financially together. See you in the next one. Take care and stay smart with money.